For this installation at this gorgeous freestanding home on a generous block, we supplied and installed Ultra HD Samsung TVs throughout the home, with Sonos Beam soundbars handling the audio. These compact units really punch, including in the alfresco outdoor area, living area, home gym. Custom leather home cinema seating makes Netflix binge sessions and footy grand finals a pleasure. Samsung's gorgeous 85-inch is ready to deliver it all with stunning 4K Ultra HD, all in jaw-dropping 7.1 surround sound. And if it all gets too much, you can simply kick back and look up at the stars. As you can see, we can take care of everything. With a custom home cinema fit out, you can take your home to the next level with cinema-style seating, a starlight ceiling, and all the latest audio-visual tech.